Hello everyone! Today we're diving into an exciting project that will let you unleash your creativity, playing cards reimagined. This week, each of you will choose a random standard playing card. Your mission is to redesign it using your own artistic interpretation. We'll explore symbolism, character design, and illustration to create something truly unique. We'll start with a lecture on playing card history and then some images for inspiration for brainstorming and sketching. During this lesson, you will also be learning about two artists, Alphonse Mucha and Gustav Klimt. Okay, so here is your target. Your goal is to redesign your assigned playing card in a way that incorporates creative symbolism, thoughtful character design, and artistic illustration techniques. The requirements are that your card design must include color to bring your vision to life. Here is a brief history of playing cards. Playing cards have a rich history that dates back to 9th century China. They spread to the Middle East and Europe by the 14th century and evolved into the 52 card deck we know today. France introduced the familiar suits in the 15th century, each symbolizing different themes. They were hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. Here's what they represented. Hearts for love and emotion. Diamonds for wealth and power. Clubs for growth and nature. Spades for wisdom and strength. Face cards like the king, queen, and jack typically depict royalty, often symbolizing virtues or vices. In the pictures, you can see some of the different cards we started with. I especially like the Japanese Hanafuda cards. In the anime Demon Slayer, the main character Tanjiro wears Hanafuda earrings, which is really neat. The next few slides are some inspiration cards. I found most of these on Pinterest. In this slide, before we begin to talk about our artists, I just want to tell you what materials you will need. A deck of playing cards, one card per student, and you can usually get these at the dollar store. White paper, pencils, erasers, markers, colored pencils, or paint. Rulers, optional for structured designs. And lastly, reference images of playing cards and artist examples, or you can use the examples that are in the slideshow. Now, we're going to explore an incredible artist who changed the world of design, Alphonse Mucha. Alphonse Maria Mucha was a Czech artist born on July 24th, 1860, in Ivančice, Czech Republic. He's best known as a central figure in the Art Nouveau movement, famous for his decorative posters, intricate designs, and elegant illustrations that became iconic in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. What is Art Nouveau? The Art Nouveau movement began in the late 1800s and is known for its flowing, organic lines and nature-inspired designs. The goal was to make art part of everyday life, influencing everything from furniture to architecture to visual arts. Mucha's style was instantly recognizable for its detailed patterns, floral motifs, and striking colors. His art often featured graceful women in flowing clothes, surrounded by natural elements and decorative flourishes. Some of Mucha's most famous pieces include these listed. Gismonda, a stunning poster that launched Mucha's career and established his signature style in French theater advertising. The Four Seasons, a beautiful series of 4 decorative panels, each representing a different season through rich imagery and vibrant colors. The Moon and Stars, a dreamy, symbolic work that highlights Mucha's love for flowing shapes and ethereal beauty. Here is The Four Seasons. Why does Mucha matter? Mucha's work wasn't just pretty pictures. His art celebrated nature, love, and hope. He used symbolism to add layers of meaning, often tying in themes like the elements or the passage of time. His influence stretched far beyond his own era, inspiring modern advertising, graphic design, and illustration. If you're ever in Prague, you can visit the Mucha Museum, which houses an impressive collection of his posters, paintings, and drawings. It's a fantastic way to experience the depth and beauty of his work firsthand. So, as we explore Mucha's art this week, think about how you can bring a sense of elegance, symbolism, and nature-inspired design into your own projects. Now, for our second artist. We're exploring an artist whose work is bold, beautiful, and absolutely unforgettable, Gustav Klimt. Who was Gustav Klimt? Gustav Klimt was an Austrian symbolist painter, born in 1862 in Baumgarten, near Vienna. His father was a gold engraver, which may explain Klimt's famous love for gold leaf in his artwork. Klimt started as a classical painter, creating murals and architectural decorations. However, as he grew tired of traditional art rules, he co-founded the Vienna Secession in 1897. This group of artists broke away from conventional styles, embracing modern ideas and international influences. The Kiss. Perhaps his most famous piece, this painting shows a loving embrace surrounded by dazzling gold and geometric patterns. It's a symbol of love and intimacy. Beyond the golden grandeur, Klimt's art explored themes of love, life, death, and the female form. His portraits of women, such as this painting, the portrait of Adele Bloch-Bauer I, radiate both sensuality and mystery. His allegorical works, like this painting, The Tree of Life, intertwine myth, nature, and human emotion. Allegorical just means a story, poem, or picture that can be interpreted to reveal a hidden meaning. Klimt wasn't afraid to push boundaries. While controversial at the time for its sensuality and daring designs, his influence on modern art is undeniable. Klimt's blend of traditional fine art with decorative elements has inspired movements like Art Nouveau and continues to shape contemporary design. So, as you create your own art this week, take a note from Klimt's book. Embrace bold patterns, rich symbolism, and a touch of gold. Okay, that's all I have for art history for now. If you post anything on Reddit, you can post in that subreddit, or you can tag me in your post in the art subreddit, which is even better. See you next time, and get to making your artworks.
Interested in a lesson plan of this for personal or classroom use? You can get it at Gumroad for 99 cents. The link will be in the description.